Good day everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video we will answer another requested machine problem using Java programming language by one of our subscriber. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my viewers, subscribers in my channel. Thank you for your support by watching, viewing, and subscribing and leaving a comment. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button, click the notification bell, select all so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, and don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I'm using Eclipse as my integrated development environment. Eclipse IDE for Java developers. It is free to download in their website at https://www.eclipse.org. So we have your package test, java.grade.java, yours truly, Professor Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada, MIT. And then I have two websites which offer free source code that you can download or copy and use in your programming assignment, software development projects. You can visit www.jakerpomperada.com and then www.jakerpomperada.blogspot.com. Presently, I'm accepting computer programming jobs at a very affordable cost, web development, web design. You can reach me in my personal email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. My location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Machine problem. Write a program that will ask the user to give test score, and then the program will convert the given test score into grade numerical equivalent, display the results on the screen. So we have here line number 16, import Java util scanner. This library file in Java will allow us to use scanner commands for input and output. And then line number 18, we have here the name of our class, that is grade, public class, begin, public static void main, it is the starting and ending of the execution of every Java programs, begin. And then I have here two variables, double score and grade. And then we create a scanner object to read the input, scanner console, new scanner, system in. And then we have here the title of our program, test score grade equivalent in Java, print new line \n. And then this portion we get the test score of the user, enter your numeric test score, and then we have here the conversion. So if score greater than or equal to 98, the grade will be 1.0, else if grade greater than or equal to 95, grade is 1.25, else if grade is if score is greater than or equal to 98, grade is 1.0, else if score greater than equals 95, grade will be 1.25, else if score greater than equal to 94, grade is 1.50, else if score greater than or equal to 90, grade is 1.75, else if score greater than or equal to 87, grade is 2.0, else if score greater than or equal to 84, grade equals 2.25, else if score greater than or equal to 81, grade is 2.50. So if we have your compounded statement here, conditional using AND logical operator, else if grade greater than 76 and score less than or equal to 78, 2.75, else we have your 3.0. It will display the grade here, and then end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended, and then we have here close. Okay, so we have to go here. Okay, run. So test score grade equivalent in Java, enter your numeric test score. Let's say we have 87, your grade is 2.0, end of program. Another example, we have here 98, your grade is 1.0, end of program. Let's say you have 76, 96, your grade is 1.25, end of program. And then last example, we have 81, your grade is 2.5, end of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create test score grade equivalent in Java. Thank you very much for watching. We will able to help one of our subscribers solving their programming assignment. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I will put a link in the description below where you can download the complete source code of this machine problem. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.